This video shows how to use the Read and Write for Google Chrome PDF Reader with G Suite. To get started, right-click on a PDF in Google Drive and choose Open with Read and Write for Google Chrome. If you don't see this option, click on Connect More Apps and search for TextHelp PDF Reader to add it. Now you'll be prompted to install the PDF Reader extension. If your admin pushes out extensions for you, you might be able to skip these steps. Once you have a PDF open, you'll see the Read and Write toolbar at the top of your screen. To read some text aloud, use the Click to Speak tool.
In schools across the United States, physical education has been substantially reduced and in some cases completely eliminated in response.
You can also select some text and use the play button. The dictionary tool provides definitions for selected words in your text. You can even hear them read aloud.
Adjective. To do with schools, universities or colleges.
The picture dictionary shows you images and symbols for selected words. The screenshot reader can be used to read inaccessible text in your PDF, such as images or text that has not been OCR'd. To use, just drag a box around any text and the screenshot reader will read it out loud.
The impact of schools on physical activity.
The translator tool gives you translations for individual vocabulary words and lets you hear them read aloud.
Ambientes.
The highlighters can be used for note-taking or research. You can even collect your highlights into a new doc in your Google Drive using the Collect Highlights button. You can also use the highlighters to create a vocabulary list from individual words in your PDF. The vocabulary list tool creates a new doc in your Google Drive with a vocabulary chart including definitions, images, and a blank column for notes or example sentences. The PDF Reader also includes several annotation features, perfect for making notes, drawing, or filling out answers to an assignment. The typewriter annotation lets you type text on top of the PDF. You can use tools like Prediction and Talk and Type to help with typing. You can also adjust the font size and color. Once created, annotations can be dragged and repositioned on the page as needed. The pushpin annotation is ideal for making notes or adding instructions or helpful hints to an assignment. You can use Prediction or Talk and Type here as well. Review this part. The Freehand Draw tool lets you scribble or draw on your PDF. And the Shapes Drawing tool lets you create circles, rectangles, and lines with customized line and fill color. If you're collaborating in a PDF, you can make comments to leave feedback or notes for other collaborators.
Thanks for the feedback.
Along the bottom of your PDF, you have additional tools to rotate, zoom, search, and more. You can also print your PDF, including highlights and several types of annotations. In the Settings menu, you can customize speech, translation, and language settings. To learn more about the PDF Reader and Read and Write, visit texthelp.com.